The trigeminocerebellar tract takes information regarding unconscious proprioception from your muscle spindles and Golgi tendon organ. So that would be your organ, the muscle spindles and Golgi tendon organ. The information is sent up, and this time the information goes inside your brain into your mesencephalon nucleus. And what's interesting about this one is that this one acts, the cell bodies are located in the mesencephalon nucleus, and the mesencephalon nucleus has pseudounipolar neurons. However, unlike the other tracts where you had the semilunar ganglion and dorsal ganglion, in which they were ganglion, they were located outside the central nervous system, this one is inside the central nervous system, specifically the midbrain. Then the information is sent via inferior peduncles to the cerebellum, and you will have your first synapse and also your last synapse. If you were to get into more details, it would be just like the unconscious proprioception of lower extremity and the upper extremity. So from the inferior peduncles, the fibers will change name into mossy fibers. You will have your first synapse in the granule cells, then you will have the parallel fibers taking the information from mossy fibers to Purkinje cells. You will have your second synapse, and through the axon of Purkinje cells you'll send information to dorsal cerebellar nucleus, and you will have your last synapse. However, for the purpose of this class, neuroscience at SCU, you just need to know that you will have your first synapse and your last synapse at the cerebellum, and making sure that you understand that the mesencephalon nucleus, it goes through it, but it doesn't synapse, and it acts just like the other ganglion that we talked about in the other tracts. It has pseudounipolar cells, but it is located in the midbrain.